Federation questions Earth's lack of defense grid. Humans prove offense is enough. The United Federation of Systems spanned half the spiral arm, a coalition of civilizations that had survived countless threats, marauding warfleets, parasitic swarms, rogue AIS, and worse. Every member world had invested in elaborate defense grids, planetary shields, orbital cannons, automated drones. Every world, except Earth. When humanity petitioned for membership, the Council was stunned to discover Earth had no planetary shield at all. The inquiry. The hearing chamber glittered with crystalline light as representatives gathered. Councillor Vrix of the Zalari swarm was the first to speak. Humans, explain yourselves. Your planet's defenses are non-existent. You lack orbital batteries, shield arrays, even deterrent mines. How does your species survive? Murmurs filled the chamber. Councillor Tice of the Trellan Consensus added, perhaps they rely on luck. Or naivety. Ambassador Morgan Reyes, Earth's representative, stood calmly at the center. We do have defenses, he said evenly. Vrix clicked his mandibles. We see no evidence of planetary shields. Do not insult this council. Reyes smiled faintly. I said defenses. Not shields. Earth's history. He tapped a control, projecting images into the chamber dome. First, ruined castles. Trenches. The blackened shell of Hiroshima. Images of devastation not from aliens, but from humans themselves. For millennia, Reyes said, our greatest threats were each other. We did not build walls. We built weapons. A fence was our shield. The gallery shifted uneasily as images escalated, fleets of aircraft carriers, nuclear missile silos, stealth bombers. Then orbital rockets and ICBM tests. While others perfected defense grids, Reyes continued, we perfected ways to end conflicts quickly, decisively. Federation skepticism. The chamber erupted. Primitive, hissed Vrix. Barbaric, whispered Tice. Self-destructive, muttered a Voric general. Chair being Elith struck the gong. Silence. Humanity, demonstrations are required. Reyes nodded. Very well. Conduct your test. The test. The Federation arranged a simulation. A hostile fleet would assault Earth's orbit. Humanity's lack of shields would mean certain destruction. Delegations crowded into the observation chamber. Many whispered bets on how long Earth would last. Minutes, perhaps seconds. The simulation began. Federation drones materialized above Earth, simulating a strike fleet. Warnings blared as they descended. Earth's planetary surface remained silent. No shields. No defense platforms. No fleets rising. Councillor Vrix sneered. Pathetic. Then Earth responded. Earth's counterstrike. From hidden silos across the planet, hundreds of projectiles erupted. Not sleek plasma weapons, but missiles archaic, chemical, kinetic. They streaked into orbit at hypersonic velocity. The simulated enemy fleet adjusted shields. The missiles ignored them. Instead of energy, they unleashed chaos, fragmentation, decoys, electronic disruption. Half the drones were blinded. Then came railgun fire from orbital stations disguised as communication satellites. Tungsten rods, unpowered but accelerated by simple mass and physics, ripped through ships like paper. Within minutes, the simulated fleet disintegrated. The chamber fell silent. The reveal. Reyes turned slowly. You asked why we lack defense grids. Because we never intended to hide behind walls. We strike first. Hard. Always. He paused, then added softly, Earth's true shield is the certainty that if you strike us, you will not rise again. Images of nuclear mushroom clouds filled the chamber. We learned long ago that sometimes the best defense, Reyes said, is ensuring the other side never dares to attack. The shock. Delegates sat frozen. Even the Voric generals, long proud of their warrior culture, looked unsettled. The Trellin whispered, they weaponized inevitability. The Zalari clicked nervously. They would turn entire worlds into ash before allowing defeat. Ambassador Reyes did not deny it. Council deliberation. In private, councillors debated furiously. They are unstable, said Vrix. They are terrifying, said Tice. They are effective, admitted a Voric general. Chair being Elith concluded, their lack of defense is not weakness. It is strategy. They channel all resources into ensuring offense is unbearable. No one argued. Decision. When the council reconvened, the vote for humanity's membership was unanimous. Elith struck the gong. Let it be recorded, Earth shall be admitted into the Federation. Their methods are unconventional, but effective, and perhaps necessary. Reyes inclined his head. Thank you. And remember, Earth stands with you. Which means your enemies will think twice. Aftermath. Word spread quickly across the Federation. Pirates who once saw Earth as vulnerable suddenly avoided its shipping lanes. Warlords whispered that humans had no shields because they needed none. Earth's reputation was sealed, not a world of prey, but a world of predators who carried their shield in the shape of their swords. Epilogue. In the centuries that followed, Earth never built a planetary shield. Not because they couldn't, but because they didn't need one. Whenever hostile eyes turned toward the blue world, the same lesson echoed through the stars. Never strike Earth. Offense is enough.